did you do?
Let's do it again.
It hurts me to leave without saying goodbye, but I best be moving on. Though I kept it to myself, when I came to you, my heart was heavy. It's a loud, noisy world we live in, and sometimes we lose our way. But if we're lucky, the good Lord sends someone to bring us home. Make no never mind about it. Loving people is hard work. And families, with all those lives mixing together, it gets kind of scary. We grab hold of each other and hold on. There's nothing more beautiful in the world. You angels are my heart, and I'll never forget you. And keep a lookout. You never know when Big Mama might be back.
Any security or anything.
Wait, I haven't gotten to the best part. Next thing I know, we're in his hotel room and he's lathering up my with that little bar soap. It's crazy because I'm not even attracted to him.
He's got no ass. You're more of an ass girl.
Exactly. I like my men to have ass in. Okay. I don't care if they can read. But let me say, Barack Obama straight freaked it out of me. What? But I couldn't even enjoy it. I was feeling so bad for Michelle the whole time.
I told you not to read her book. It's ruined all my fantasies about him. I can block out his mom genes, but not Sasha and Malia. What was it all like this time?
It was dignified and confident. That thing was presidential.
You want to shower first?
Your hair takes longer.
I'm just going to dry shampoo.
Why? It's not even greasy yet. You're good.
Huh?
Mm-hmm. Why is dream sex way better than real sex?
Because they finish when you want them to.
Girl, that is so true. When I'm done, they done. Hello.